Good morning from at home today. I'm in the only soundproof room in my house because I just need to talk for a second. So, end of last week, you're watching this the day that I'm filming it because busy, and person may see this later, but that's okay. So, we had a family member have a family emergency, and they're in my living room right now, and they've been here for a couple days, which I'm fine with. I'm so happy we were able to take care of them, but just a lot of things, and there were other things that happened over the weekend, and I just need a day of, like, when it's just the kids and me here, it's a little different filming. Like, I can just film, but also with an extra person here, and I'm just exhausted. It's been a weekend. So today I just thought for a change from the kitchen cleaning videos, and also because like all of this happened weeks before our Disney cruise, and I need my family member to feel better because I want them to feel better and get healthy again. And then also, like, I'm not having time to get some of this cruise prep stuff done that I need to get done. And my house will still be here when I get back, but there's also stuff that I need to, maintain every day. And that's a really loud truck going by because it's morning. So I thought I would literally just turn the camera on, do a power hour, and whatever I get done and record during that time, I share with you guys. Just leave the camera on as much as the camera will let me leave it on for an hour. And whatever I get done, I get done. And I'm just going to share it with you guys because, while I do argue that when people say, oh, I want to see more real videos on YouTube, most people actually won't. They'll bash you and be like, oh, your house was so filthy. Oh, you did this. Oh, you did that. But I'm going to just do it today anyways. I'm going to be real and just be like, we've had a really interesting weekend. So today I'm just going to carry the camera. We're going to record whatever I get cleaned, and I'm going to share it with you guys. And it may not be like a complete before and after. It'll just be what I can get done in 1 hour. And then I'm going to be spending the rest of the day packing with my kids and working on schoolwork and getting some classes finished up. One of them has already taken one of their finals for the year, and that's really exciting. And also tomorrow's my 20th anniversary, and there are some things I'd like to get done before that, even though we're not going to be able to have the money to do anything until we get on the cruise ship. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it around though. Whatever I get done in 1 hour, that's what I get done, because I think it's okay to say sometimes things aren't going to go the way you're planning them to, and you can still get something done. So today's power hour is mostly for me, just because I need a chance to just say, this is what I needed to get done today. And then next week's cleaning video, we'll try to get right back to the kitchen. But for now, let me turn you around, turn some music on, and we're going to go clean the house for, and no, the video's not going to be an hour long, I'll speed it back up. But we're going to go clean the house for 1 hour, and then I'm going to go spend some time with my kids and my family member, and we're going to talk about cruise and just together.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see